Sometimes you don't travel to a place, you travel towards a feeling. This journey from Bangalore towards Samse felt exactly like that. From Bangalore, Samse sits roughly 310 kilometers away. We drove through Nelamangala and Hassan, a route where the city slowly disappears and the Western Ghats begin their quiet welcome. As the city slowly faded away, the air turned cooler, the roads quieter, and the mountains of Malenadu slowly rose in the distance, welcoming me home. Every curve on this road carried a sense of peace, a reminder to slow down, breathe, and just enjoy the moment. The deeper we entered Malenadu, the more unreal it felt. Mist floating between the hills, endless green everywhere, and that familiar silence of the Western Ghats that tells you, you are exactly where you need to be. My first stop was a beautiful tea estate tucked between the hills. As the drone lifted into the sky, the soft evening light wrapped the estate in a warm, gentle glow. From above, every line looks like it was drawn with patience and love. The tea estates here stretch endlessly, gentle waves of green flowing across the hills. The drone glides over the estate, revealing quiet corners, hidden paths, and the slow rhythm of life that this land breathes. It's the kind of place where even the wind feels softer. And then, these two adorable dogs, curious and excited, kept following the drone like it was a new friend who had come to play. Their energy added a sweet little memory to the calm landscape around. On the way, we visited the historic Kalasa Temple. place where the sound of bells mixes with the sound of the river, and where time seems to move a little slower. Standing there, surrounded by centuries of culture, felt like pausing life for a moment. The Kalasa Temple stands like a guardian of the valley. As you walk through its stone pathways, you can feel centuries of devotion beneath your feet. The architecture, the silence, the soft glow of lamps, everything here feels timeless. There's something grounding about Kalasa Temple. You enter with noise in your mind and walk out carrying a sense of stillness. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest places hold the deepest peace. By the time we reached Samse, the sky had already started changing colors. The cool breeze, the smell of wet soil, and the distant sound of crickets. It felt like the perfect welcome to this peaceful little village.